suck at this game. Oh shoot, what the heck? Explode. Perfect. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so sorry. I need to get a new shotgun. Yep. Yes, I do. Maybe, I don't know. I don't know these gaming logic thing, what the heck I'm talking about, but all I have to say, guys, is that shoot. I'm depressed. I'm just kidding. I'm never depressed. Hold up. Let's go. I'm not gonna really talk that much. Sometimes I don't like talking during. I'm trying to make this interesting, but yeah, if you guys already know what I'm trying to say. Trying to be like fearless and say there, brother. And even, I bet you at the end of this video, I'm gonna sound so small. But I'm gonna sound like a little kid. I bet. Someday, guys, I'm gonna do a live stream. If I can, I can. But if I can't, I'll shoot. If I can't, I can't. But oh shoot, it scared me. What the heck? Yo, zombie, you ate too much. You died. Now you're no. The zombie guys, all these zombies ate too much. They died and they lost their the guts started going all around the place. That's why they're zombies and they're skinny now. Shoot, I need to buy some room. Shoot. Shoot. Run. This is what I do when I'm mad. No, I'm trapped. Oh no, I'm trapped again. I don't know where to go, guys. Oh my gosh. I don't know where to go. Oh, finally found the place. Oh, someday I'm gonna be like those two. I'm gonna be like, yeah, those two. Give me those double points, though. Every time I kill a zombie, I get double points. Oh, sorry, guys. Got a notification. Sorry, guys, I got a notification. If you guys heard. Oh my gosh, please help. Help me, help me, help me, help me, help. Oh. God, I'm just gonna hide. You guys hear him? Oh, he scared me. Okay, these people. Oh! Come at me, please. No, I'm just kidding. I'm joking, guys. I don't want to die. I'm dead by the time. Hello, zombies. Hello? Nobody's here, guys. See, I lost all my dogs. Give me them. You guys see this? You need to open it. This is what you guys need to do. This is what you want to do next. This is what you guys want to do next. You go through, sorry. Hurt yourself a little bit. You hurt yourself a little bit. Oh my god, you're gonna die. Dang it. Well, then after that, inside here, and, yeah. You kill zombies. Oh! I knew. Oh, I had to open. Sorry, guys. I had to open up this place. Dang it, guys. I'm just saying. I'm dead. By the time you know it, I'm dead. Oh, shoot. Anybody else want some? Come here, boy. I don't think you want some. He never wanted some. He's gonna die. Oh, shoot. They're farting zombies. Leave me alone. Farting zombies stink. This guys, never you take damage because you smell the farts and you die. Yeah, if you guys are laughing to this right now. Yeah, I know you guys probably aren't, but just laugh. I don't even know where the zombies. Yeah, guys, I have more farting zombies coming through. I just killed the last farting zombie. Now, guys, all we have to do is open up this place. See that? Always. Fudge! I messed myself up. Shoot. Ow. No, you leave me alone. I'm dead, guys.